everyone, welcome to JeaniCo Home. This is our first DIY tutorial. I hope I'll be able to help someone who needs this. All you're going to be needing is a stir, paintbrush, and 2 terracotta planters. These ones I think cost about like $1 something or $2 something. The paint that we'll be using today is Behr's Swiss Coffee Wheat Bread by Behr. Sedona Pink by Behr. What we want to accomplish is a rustic finish. Why do you need to paint over terracotta planters? The reason is because when it's aged, you have like different colored tones to it, but still trying to get these colors still peek through them. What we're gonna want to do right now is stir our paint first. I'm gonna be starting with a smaller one. All right, we're gonna start with the pot itself. First technique, we're gonna do a dry brush technique. We're going to do a pink base. So what we want to do is just grab a brush, your planter. What we're gonna do is just gonna take the white and just slap it on. It's pretty cool, but I'm gonna add the lightest pink that we have. Dip the brush back in here to the pink. It's very, very little. Do the same technique as we did with the white. And then just grab a cloth, just wipe it up. There we go. So we're gonna do that on the inside too. We're done with the first one. I'm gonna do the bigger one with a darker color. It's a grayish, greenish, nudish tone. And the wheat bread color that we had from just now. We're gonna do a textured baking soda technique. I'm gonna take it to a more textured level, so very, very grainy. So what we want is the darker color and the baking soda. Put 3 tablespoons in there. That's a lot, yes, but we really want it textured, so hence the amount. There we go. Okay, take my stir. Pop the paint in there. Continue with the plate. Now that our planter is mostly dry, it's okay. Just want to press everything in. We're gonna take our dry brush and the lighter color that we had just now, light strokes. So you're gonna wanna let this dry for 1 hour at least so that it dries up fully. This one especially is compact paint already, and we just wanna make sure it's fully dry before we start styling it. Okay, here's our end product right here. It's 2 babies right here. And just to refresh, we started off with a bigger brush that we could use for dry brush. So just really hard bristles so that you can create that texture that we did for here. And then we use baking soda in our paint. There's a lot left, so I'm gonna keep that for later. That And we used a lot of baking soda to create this kind of texture. If you don't want this kind of harsh texture, you can use less baking soda. But because I wanted to create that textured, aged terracotta look, so if you like that look, if you're into rustic, the restoration hardware kind of look, here you go. But if you're more dainty, more light and airy kind of person, I think this one would suit you really well. Those of you that are still here, thank you for staying on. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. If those okay. Give us a thumbs up so that you can stay tuned for our next videos. Oh my god, that was so bad.